Hello everyone, today we are unboxing the electric wheelchair. It's called the Breeze. We bought this a couple days ago. We actually bought it 5 days ago, but they delivered it in 3 business days because we bought it on Friday, and Saturday and Sunday don't count as business days, so they brought it on Wednesday today. And here is us unboxing it, and it's super light. It has the battery is so small. It's around 26 kilograms, and it's super easy to fold and put in our car to move around.
Because it's small for transfer, yeah, for car we want to
Yeah.
go trip, or that's why it's is we can fold it and we put in the car or in the bus or coach in airplane. It's easy, we can I can transfer.
Yeah, and there's lots of small parts, and here's me trying to ride it.
It's easy to use
Okay, yeah,
and is it comfortable?
comfortable, and it's I need it. It's good because I had it had heavy batteries, but that's not a lithium. That was not lithium, but this is the good things is it's lithium. It's very
Yeah, lithium is very light, and it can last for a long time. It doesn't run out that quick, and it charges pretty quick. And it doesn't require any space at all. Like, you can barely see the battery. As you can see, it's on the side right there. And it's right now, there's the box, and the box was actually giant. And there was lots of pieces. There was like the footrests, and then the back can actually like fold, and it can literally become so small.
It can split up, it can turn into many pieces.
Yeah, like the control bit, it can take you can take that off, and you can take the battery off it and charge it on its own. You don't need the battery. And yeah.
I tasted after this it's we are getting ready for, and yeah, it's called plug-in, yeah, plug-in,
Yeah,
plug-in
and
battery too.
we're trying to plug in the battery to the two wheels, and also to the control center where my dad can press buttons and they do things like move around.
It's another it has another option. It's manual, yeah.
Yeah, if you switch this type of lever on the two back wheels, it can go from manual to automatic or electric. Here's me doing it. Like there, it just went to manual, and then when it's in, that means it's automatic.
if uh, if the battery is gone, we can change to manual,
Yeah.
and then
It's
it's
super easy to push around, even if the battery runs out, it's fine.
yeah, because the old electric wheelchair I had, it was also it had the manual
Yeah.
manual, but it's very
It was
heavy.
very heavy, and it was really hard to move around. They both could change between manual and automatic, but some of them, they the one that we had before, it was really heavy, so we could barely move it around, and it was starting to like get old, so it wasn't working that well.
It was getting weak and it was getting slower and slower.
Yeah. And the battery was running out a lot faster. This wasn't actually that expensive. It was 1,100 pounds, and because my dad, he actually needed the wheelchair, so it went from £1,350 to £1,100 because they removed the tax. Because my dad actually is paralyzed, and so for some reason some people like to buy it just for no reason.
Yeah, this Okay, Ali is testing, and then I want to go to the our garden. Now I want to, yes. After that, I'm at home. Oh, that's the battery. That's the small and very light.
Yeah, you can take off the battery and charge it on its own and then put it back in. Or you could just charge it where it is. So it's really easy to do.
Also, I can get a extra battery. Yeah. Next time, maybe. Now I don't. I didn't have the money, because I asked the battery. How much was that? 200.
The battery was around £250.
Yeah. This is the include of that. But
Yeah.
and
We were just looking at if we were going to buy a extra battery just so we have both of them charged, so if one runs out in the middle of the day we can just switch it out for the other one, which will be fully charged.
yeah, this is the in my garden, our garden, and just for testing. It's small and light. It's just easy for trip. Just I bought this just for trip.
Yeah. Because the other one it's really hard to transport.